Dwi'n yma yn Eglwys Dewi, Sant and Nefyn I gweld y Coed Nadolig yn yr Eglwys. I'm here in St David's Church in Nefyn to see the Christmas trees. Mae'n gŵl Coed Nadolig wythnos yma. And there are lots of trees in the church. This one is from Eglwys in Nefyn, a club for those who are a little older. Well, dros 50 pimp oed, so people like me actually. And next to it is the tree from Ysgol Nefyn and then Cylch Meithrin. Come and see Dewch I weld. The church is beginning to prepare for Christmas like everybody that we know. This one is a gift to the Nefyn Church, Anreg, and I wonder what you will receive at Christmas. Christians, my pobl Cristogol yn credu, my babyn Iesu yn Anreg y byd. The baby Jesus is a reminder of the time when God gave the world a cwtch. And a tree from Llanestyn, and behind it a cross decorated by children from Sant Messy Church in Nefyn. Dewch I weld, come and see. If we turn around to the back of the church and walk down the aisle, immediately in front of us, we see the beautiful tree from Nadolig, and next to it, the tree from Eglwys Santa's fire on Nefyn. My Santa's fire was reopened al dechrau mis Mehefin. What a beautiful story that was, that God not finishing with us yet, the church and boo, my Eglwys and boo. A beautiful creation vendigadig by the Garden Club in Nefyn. Behind us, we have the tree from the food bank. What a beautiful organisation. And then next to it, tree from the Welsh learners. Mae dros 75% o bobl yn y ardal yn siarad Cymraeg fel iaith cyntaf, so mae pwysig iawn. Very important that those of us who have moved here learn the language of heaven. Dewch. Well, pwy yn gwybod? Who knows? But then towards the four corner of the church, Teulu Tut, St David's own mother and toddler group. A tree of memories from Bryn Croes. Llandudwyn and Eglwys y Bont and Abersoch, a community that bridges English and Welsh, church and chapel. Come and see. Dewch I weld, Eglwys Nefyn. Diolch yn fawr iawn.